Google is rolling out a new safety feature for Android that could literally be life-saving. Starting now, Android users in select regions can share live video directly with emergency services when they place a 911 or equivalent call. Here's how it works. When you call emergency services, you'll see a prompt offering to share real-time video from your camera, along with your location and audio. If you choose to share it, the video stream starts so the dispatcher can see what's happening, not just hear your voice. Google says this is all optional. You have to opt in at the time of the call. It won't automatically stream video in the background without your consent. Why this matters? In an emergency, whether it's a car crash, a medical situation, or a crime scene, being able to show first responders exactly what's happening can help them make faster, better decisions. A dispatcher could see injuries, hazards, or other critical details that might not come across in a voice call alone. Google is launching this feature first in the United States and plans to expand to more countries over time. There are some privacy considerations, of course. Google says the video stream only goes to the emergency call center you're connected to. It isn't saved to your phone or uploaded to the cloud, and you can stop sharing at any time. This feels like one of those features that's simple on the surface but could make a huge difference in real-world situations. It's still a tool, not a replacement for calling out loud or getting to safety, but giving first responders live visuals could reduce confusion and speed up help when every second counts. If you live somewhere Android emergency video sharing is supported, it's worth knowing this feature exists. It might be one of those things you thank technology for in a moment you never hope to use it.